Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rashmi, and today I'm going to make a vision board for 2026. First of all, Happy New Year, all of you, and hope you all achieve what you want in 2026. For this, you have to make your own vision board to be consistent and more productive. Vision board is like a roadmap to success, so it's high time that you should also make your own vision board. And so, without wasting any time, just dive in the video and see the full process how to make a vision board.
For this, first of all, select and download all the pictures from the Pinterest according to your choice and make collage of all the pictures and print out, cut it. Yes, I cut all the pictures. Then after I place it on their right place so that I won't confuse. Cut the excess part of chart paper. It was iPhone picture and I don't want to stick it because it is materialistic thing and I don't want to make my vision board messy and confusing. I want to make it simple as possible so that I will be clear, more clear. I done doodling art. I love doodling art and I connected with their related pictures. Yes, you can see the little flower, yellow flower. So my vision board is ready.
You know about her. Actually, she is my inspiration. I am inspired from Priyanka Chopra. Her speeches are so inspiring and motivating. I like that how she manages and balance her roles, including motherhood. And her speeches, oh my god, it's so good. I want to be like her. For this, I have to read all the books. I love to read books. That's why I stick this so that mm, I I read more and more books. And in 2026, I will definitely speak a fluent English so that I stick here. And if I do all these, follow Priyanka Chopra and read all books, and I definitely got get YouTube button. So I want to make a YouTube channel to speak fluent English, and in this journey, you will learn with me. As I am a student, so it's necessary to take care of our mental health. So I will do regular meditation. After that, I will do some exercise, especially for backache. I am suffering from this. So yes, I used to ignore take care of my skin due to lack of time, but in this year, I take care of it. And with this, I will also take care of my hair. Previously, my hair was thick, but now, due to stress, I think I am going to be tuckly this year. So I will take care of it definitely. It's a serious issue for me. For better hair and skin, I have to strictly avoid junk food. So in this year, I will strictly avoid this and eat sprout and healthy drinks so that I stick it here so that it will remind me that I should not eat junk food. Okay, as I am preparing for a government job and now my syllabus is completed, I only give mocks. So for backup, I'm searching job in private sector also. That's why I started this channel to improve my English for for interviews. Yes. I definitely get the job in 26, and I will prepare very hard for this.
So it was my vision board, and in this video, if I said something wrong, so forgive me, I will do better in upcoming videos. And yes, so I will do better. So thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.